Hey there, Harvard. Need help with some of your math? Why don't I take a look at that? Yikes! These are some tough ones. I can see why you're struggling.
Yeah, it's no good.
Okay. There are so many rules. Let's start plain and simple. Can you tell me what a base is?
No.
Oh, well that one's easy, Harvard. See this 5? See how it's attached to the 2? The 2 is the base. And the 5? That's the exponent. So it would be 2 to the 5th power. That can also be said 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. An exponent is just how many times you multiply a number by itself. Let's try this other problem. In this problem, we have to turn this long multiplication problem into an algebraic equation. How do you think we could do this problem, Harvard?
Me no idea.
Well, you see, Harvard,
It's S.
multiplied by itself 3 times. What does that sound like?
Well, S is the base. And it's multiplied by itself 3 times.
That's right. So it would be
S.
to the 3rd power.
Wow, Gecko, that was fun. Must be a pro now, right?
Well, not quite yet. So, you see, this problem here, when you have 0 as an exponent, you don't multiply it. In fact, you just turn it into a 1. The problem will look a bit like 3 to the 0 equals 1.
Not this problem. M to the power of 0.
Well, that's literally the same exact thing. It's literally just 1.
Oh,
Yup. Now what's
Z.
the 0th power?
0?
No. What literally, nothing changed. It's just 1. Yeah. Yeah, sin and shame.
Okay, I guess I get it. Which means that this problem down here, 9 to the 0 power, also equals 1.
That took you so long. Okay, the next thing we have to discuss is what to do with negative exponents. This is where it gets complicated.
Well, can you just do it how you normally do?
No, you can't. When you have a negative exponent, you need to turn it into a fraction and flip it. When you flip it, it makes the exponent positive, so you can solve it.
That looks awfully complicated.
Well, okay. So this probably flip it and then,
Never fear, I am here.
Who in the flying exponents are you?
Be not afraid, children. I am the Holy Grail of math. Your supreme leader came to help with your math.
Related problems. Okay. Thanks. We appreciate the help. How did you do this problem?
I see. This problem is hard to solve. To solve this problem, you need to tum it in.
You need to tub it.
Maggot, do you need some help with your words? Do you mean turn?
To solve this problem, you need to turn
It's
Maggot doesn't know English.
into a fraction. Does anyone know how to do that?
Come on, dumb little Harvard, raise your hand.
Yes, Harvard?
You put 1 under it, Because all whole numbers are just the number over 1.
That's right, Harvard. I'm so proud of you. I'm not saying the same for you, Gecko.
Oh, just like my dad.
Anyways, now you flip the equation so that 2 to the power of 6 is positive and also on the bottom of the equation. Now you solve. Gecko, could you tell me what that is?
No.
Like I thought, you're a disappointment. Harvard?
It's 64.
Right. That means the answer is 1 over 64. Now, about we watch Gecko do this next problem.
Oh, okay. So you flipped them, right? And so now it's 3 to the second power over 4 to the second power. Then you solve. So it's 9 over 16.
I didn't know someone of your idiocy could manage to figure out that problem. I'm not proud. I'm just disappointed. And impressed. 'Cause you're stupid. How about this next problem?
Well, that one's easy. You just flip the equation so it reads 1 over s to the 6th power.
Now, wow, Harvard, I might have to take you as my understudy. The next problem is 4 to the negative 6th power over s to the negative 6th power.
This one's easy. So you flip the problem to make it positive, and now it reads 4 to the power of 6 over s to the power of 6. Then you just solve and get 4,096 over s to the 6th power.
I'm proud of you, Harvard. Now it's time for me to take my leave, I'm afraid. I'll call you later.
We've been working on this forever, and we still have so many more questions.
Well, let's hop on it. The next question is 2 to the second power in parentheses to the second power. And I actually know how to do this one.
You can do it.
So Harvard, what do we do with the exponents on the outside?
Subtract?
Wrong! We multiply. Every time you have exponents on the outside of parentheses, you multiply them together. That makes it 2 to the 4th power. Why did you just cough?
What is gacking? Gack!
So now we have 2 to the 4th power, right? Harvard, can you use your useful little calculator there and solve it?
Give me a phone.
No, just like use your calculator.
The answer is 16!
That's a large
That's
calculator.
correct, I think.
I use emojis to talk because I'm stupid.
I can't say words about that because Matt, the math fairy, will come and get me. Okay, let's do the rest of this. How about c to the second power to the second power?
Smiley face, crying, Eiffel Tower, pasta.
What?
So you add the 2 and the 2, and you get c to the 4th power.
Wow,
You
Harvard.
multiply.
Wow, Harvard. Somehow you did that right. Let's try this next example. M to the 3rd power in parentheses to the 4th power.
Might it be m to the 12th power?
Yeah, actually. You're stealing my show. Stop getting them right.
No, this is my show now. I'm the host.
Gecko, do the next problem.
Okay, guys. Give me a sec to get myself situated. Give those back, you little show stealer.
Do the problem, worm.
Whoa.
Oh, wait.
Well! Look! There's an issue here!
Get out. I need to do the problem. The next problem is 3 to the second power in parentheses to the third power.
No, I'm the host. I decide who stays and who leaves. Matt, do the problem.
Well,
His name's Matt. Wait, pause. How do you know his name?
I'm his father.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
I'm his father!
Okay. Continue.
Well, you two, all you have to do is add the two exponents, which would leave us with 3 to the 6th power. Once solved, that leaves us with 729.
Very well, Matt.
I want another!
There isn't any more.
He lies! There's one! Gecko, solve!
I don't know how.
You add the exponents together. That means the problem now reads 2 to the 4th power. Can anyone tell us what this equals? Does it equal 16? Yes! Good job, Harvard. Gecko, can you tell me what the problem 4 and 4 to the 5th power multiplied by 4 to the 2nd power equals?
Well, based on your previous statement, it equals 16 to the 7th power.
No, that's incorrect. You multiplied the bases.
Oh my god, my yellow glasses.
My host class.
My host glasses.
Take those. These are mine. Snap out of it. Soldier, come on.
Oh, that hurt. Anyway, the correct answer is 4 to the 7th power. You add the exponents if they have the same base, because it is just multiplying a number by itself more times. This also means the answer is 16,384.
Wow, Matt, you kind of struggled with your words there. But does that okay, that makes sense, I guess.
Yep. Now let's try the next problem. S to the 5th power times S to the 2nd power. What's the answer?
Well,
Stop hitting me!
no. Well, this is a great scene. We're doing great, guys.
Get on with it.
We have
You do
multiple
well.
live studio audience complaints.
I know. It's S to the 7th power because you add 5 and 2. Very good, Harvard. Now, Gecko, how about M to the 2nd power times M to the 7th power? What's the answer?
I think it's n to the 9th power?
That's good, Gecko!
Yeah, really good. And I'm the host, so that means something.
Why did he wink?
Now I'm afraid I must go.
Farewell, all. Okay, so since I'm the host, we get to do the next property together.
Wait, pause. Did he just die? Is he okay?
Yes, he died. What is wrong with you? We have a live studio audience full of children. Stop it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Producers, continue. Okay, so since I'm the host, we get to do the next property together, Gecko. The next property is the quotients of powers rule. It means that if the bases are the same, we can subtract the exponents.
So on this problem here, 4 to the third power divided by 4 to the second power, the answer is just 4?
Yup, that's right. Good job, Gecko. Now the next problem, 3 to the fifth power minus, don't touch me, minus 3 to the fourth power, you subtract 4 from 6.
Harvard, you're really bad at your job. It's divided. This only works when you divide, Harvard. I'm using your own rules against you. Anyways, the answer will be 3 to the second power, or 9.
Very, very good. Now you can have the hot hostship back.
Hot?
Now you can have the
Hotness back.
Now you can have the hostship back. It's really boring.
Yeah, okay. I understand that. The next problem...
No.
The next problem is s to the 7th divided by s to the 3rd. So that's s to the 4th. And then the problem after that is k divided by k. K to the 3rd divided by k. So the answer is k?
Yup. That's the last property of quotients.
No, it's actually k to the 2nd. Pay attention. Anyways.
Yup. But what's the last property of quotients, Gecko?
The last property... Oh my... Is that your dad?
Brains!
He's not coming back in this episode. The last property is the Get off me. The last property is the power of quotient rule. That's when you have numbers with exponents dividing themselves, and then an exponent on the outside like this: 3 to the 2nd divided by 4 to the 2nd in parentheses to the second power, which equals 3 to the 4th over 4 to the 4th. And then that equals 81 over 256.
Let me try. 2 to the 2nd power over 3 to the 2nd power in parentheses to the power of 2. So that equals 2 to the 4th power over 3 to the 4th power.
And then this one, s to the 7th power over c to the 2nd power in parentheses.
I wasn't done!
Oh.
And that equals 81 over 256. Now it's your turn.
Since you...
Oh wait, I did that wrong. I mean,
Dumb little Harvard.
that equals 56. Calculator, that equals 16 over 81.
Oh, he should bit me. So, since you so rudely interrupted me just to be wrong, this problem, s to the 2nd power over c to the 2nd power equals s to the 4th power over c to the 4th power. Wait, I said that wrong. This one, s to the 2nd power over c to the 2nd power in parentheses to the 2nd power is actually s to the 4th power over c to the 4th power. Did you know that?
Now I do.
Thank you.
And then the last problem. N by the 4th power over v to the 4th power in parentheses to the power of 4. That equals n to the 16th power over v to the 16th power. And then that's the last problem, which means we were now exponent pros.
That's for sure. Bring it in.
Performed in front of a live studio audience.